Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Gabo with IFSI, the Immigrant Family Services Institute. We are centrally located in the city of Boston. However, we have offices throughout the state of Massachusetts. The reason for this video is to reach out to you service providers all across the US to help us so we can welcome our new families with love, compassion, and direction. Every day here at IFSI, we talk to families who are traveling from state to state, trying to find access to basic resources. The reason is simple. They are new to their communities and they don't know where to go. That's where you come into the picture to help us. We are creating a database of providers all across the US, just so that we can connect you to the new families who are in our communities and who need you. They need access to every single type of resource, and we know that you, as a provider, you can help. Please fill out the link below and let us know the services that we provide, the language capacity that you have. That way we can connect you to the new families who are coming through our doors. Remember, it is a privilege for us to serve, and especially to welcome those who are in our community for the first time. We are a country of immigrants, and immigrants make us stronger, make us better. Let's welcome them with open arms. Thank you.